Good morning, everyone. My name is Miss KM. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine and great because I am. Today, I'm going to be talking about simple interest. Okay, I already did an example for you and I just want to discuss it with you. Okay, so let's get to it. It says here, calculate the following. Matthew invests 10,000 Rand in an investment project for 3 years, which offers him an interest rate of 10% per annum. Now the clue I'm going to give you is you should ask yourself this question before you attempt any sentence, any word problem when it comes to simple interest or financial math in general. What tense is it? This first sentence, of course, you guessed it right. It's present tense, okay? Now, per annum, if you guys, okay, PA, I just said it out already. Per annum, okay? Per annum, another word for per annum is per year, all right? The next sentence says here, calculate how much Matthew will have in 3 years if the interest is simple interest. Now, of course, the second sentence gave it away. It says simple interest. Of course, you're going to use your simple interest formula. But now, they say here, calculate how much Matthew will have in 3 years. Now, I'm sure you guys are wondering, okay, must I calculate my P? Must I calculate my A? Before you attempt that, you need to ask yourself which tense is the sentence is in. Because the tense of the sentence helps you identify what you must calculate, and this helped me a lot. Trust me, it really did, and I'm sure it's going to help you as well. I'm really sure it's going to help you. Okay, they say how much Matthew will have. Will, it's a future tense. It means that you're going to have to calculate your A, your accumulated amount. Your accumulated amount is your future value, okay, which is your A, which I put a question mark here because that's what they say, calculate how much Matthew will have. Will is giving you future. Will is giving you accumulated amount because you need to calculate your A, and your accumulated amount is always your future value. Okay, and write down your given always. Well, I always do because it actually helps me identify where I have to go wrong. It says here, Matthew invests 10,000 Rand, and that is your present value. Invest is, of course, a verb and it's in present tense. So, of course, you already have your principal value. Your principal value is your P, or your principal value, or your present value, okay? Present tense, okay? 10,000 Rand, that is already your 10,000 Rand, that is already your P. 10% is your interest. Interest is always in percentage, always, never change, okay? Your interest rate is always in percentage, so that is already your I. And your number of years, which is your N over here, is 3 years. Now, let's calculate. It is, I did one for you, so I just want to go through it so that you all can understand. Your A is equal to P1 plus I multiplied by N. This is your formula. If you don't write down your formula and you just plot it down without the formula, then you're gonna lose marks. You must always write down a formula before you write down your steps into getting your answer and stuff, okay? So your 10,000, you're trying to find your A, so that's why it's blank, okay? Your P is your 10,000 Rand over here. Open bracket, 1 plus 0.1. Always convert your percentage into a decimal, okay? How to do that? You can say what you're given. Let's say if they say 10 or 5, or like it says here 10, you say 10, okay? You press shift and there's a bracket over here, okay? Shift, I'm sure you guys might not see, but like you write down your number, you press shift, and then there's a percentage symbol above the bracket at the bottom line of your, over here, you see? Over here, I'm sure you guys can't see much, but like you press shift, bracket, and then shift your percentage symbol equal to, and it's going to give you 0.1, or you can just say your percentage over 100, still going to give you the same thing, plus 0.1 multiplied by your number of years, which is 3. And when you punch it all in your calculator, it's going to give you 13,000. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to round it up saying, please always, when you read your sentence, identify what type of tense it is, because the tense always helps you to knowing what you must calculate if it's your principal or and oh okay your principal and also your given. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that subscribe button and that notification bell for any new video that pops up. Thank you.